Hey guys.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I gotta get you the air, you know, this song.
Yeah. Hey guys. Nails. Nails and nails and nails.
Just get to the point.
I can't get to the point. Bitch. Girl, you can't get to the point when you spend all that money on that new motherfucker. Okay, guys, so I don't even know. Y'all probably don't even see this because I'm acting retarded already. If I do post it, y'all see the title. Y'all see the title. When you get something, you don't act. Oh, you see the bag. You know where I went. Yeah, whatever. I got my first Apple Watch. Look at it. Look at that. Look at the name. Look at that name. Apple. Apple Watch. Say it with me. Apple Watch. Oh. 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 Whoa. Just got me an Apple Watch Series 7, bitch. Pose for the camera. That's an ugly thumbnail. Ching ching. I wanted to do an unboxing. Yes, I'm excited because when you can afford things in life, it just feels so good, you know? Just like I'm recording on my Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. I almost forgot what kind of phone I have. I was able to get that, so that's a blessing. And now the Apple Series 7 watch. It's the bigger one too. You know, you pop when you can afford the bigger one, not the small one, not the little knucklehead, but the big one, you know. See? You can see that over here. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know where it's at. One in here. Ooh, look at the inside. Oh, it's so decorative. Anyway, we're going to set that to the side. We're going to be gentle and delicate. This is my first time, y'all. I don't even know what to even tell y'all about. Like, 'cause I'm excited. But this is the box. Okay, I'm doing a little ghetto video because I didn't feel like doing this in the morning. And I don't care. I can't take this video serious because don't nobody really comment on my videos anyway. And probably half of y'all don't even watch them. But you're going to want to watch this. You don't want to miss this. So I got the black wristband. You know, black on black crime. No, that's not the right one. And the sports band was $50. $50. All right. It was $50. Is that the right? The light in there tweaking. Damn, I can't even pull the tab on that ass. Okay, here we go. Okay, how you open this now? Freaky, freaky. She freaky, freaky. Ooh.
Your Apple Watch is disconnected from it?
I ain't gonna be able to show them the setup because I'm recording from my phone.
Where's your charger?
I don't even know. Do we come with a charger? That's a good question. That's a good question, Rocky. Whoa. Hey. Hey, what is this? What is this? I got 3 pieces? What is that? What does that mean? What does this mean? If I lose a piece, do I get a piece? Like, wait. Oh, it's for the fat wrist niggas and the skinny wrist niggas, right? SM and ML, meaning small to medium and medium to large. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so soft. Like, look at the... Y'all can't even... I wish I could feel this. This feels so good. Ooh, I like that. Like that shit. Okay, here we go. This is the first look at the Apple Watch Series 7. 7 in heaven. I can't even get it. The box is in there. Oh. I'm so slow. It's 2 sides. Oh, guys, 2 sides to every story. Okay. All right. There we go. Now we should be able to shake her out. Ooh. She just fell out. Do I just slide it out? See, it sucks. I got these nails on.
Can I do it?
And oh, and this is the aluminum. I didn't get the stainless steel because that's more money. She's so pretty. It just was on. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I guess you just sit your watch on top of here to charge it. Got a little cord, little things with the thing. In order to connect it, I'm going to have to stop recording on my cell phone and then like let's put the bands on here at least.
You can't wait to put the back on.
I can't. Oh my God. I'm going to make me and my husband. Oh. 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 I'm going to make my husband my background. I'll open the wrong box. Thank you for reminding me. Y'all ain't ready. How do I put these on here though? They ain't ready. Slick, rip.
Look at, I ripped my whole thing. See?
Don't tell nothing personal here. I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. Yes, because I need my cell phone. I'll be right back when I set it up so y'all can see it and everything. I got it set up. It was fairly easy, way better than I thought it would be. Now there is a password that I got set up, so I will have to unlock this every time. And I do have me and my fiance picture up, but every time I try to show y'all, it's cutting off. When I'm looking at it, is here. It's right here. Got me and my fiance picture on the front. When you swipe up, you get the Bluetooth signal, I guess, find my phone, alarm, walkie-talkie. I don't know what that one is. And then you can see the percentage of my watch. Tons of apps on here. I have not clicked on half of them, but I got all these apps that was set up from my phone. To be honest, the only reason why I got this Apple Watch is because I wanted to do the ECG. I have AFib, and I just want to keep track of it without having to keep calling the doctor or making an appointment to go into the doctor's office. I found out the way to take the wristbands back off. It's some little buttons back here. You just push the button in and then you slide it out. And since I got nails on, I'm not gonna keep playing with my watch like that. This thing costs close to $500. So what we're not gonna do is scratch it up. But I did get Apple Care insurance in case my watch do accidentally get cracked or break or something. We ain't gonna say something stupid, but something like that. Then I can get my watch fixed for half the price. I am gonna look into getting me a rose gold band just because my ring is rose gold, and I think that'd be so cute. I don't know what else to tell y'all about it besides this aluminum black midnight wristband, 44mm series 7. The watch is like the dark gray, black, whatever. And it's so smooth, so soft, and I just love it. Love it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I look a little rough. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.